So, I will tell you right now that this is the hardest thing I've ever done working on a car. Plugging in the back connector to the central junction box. So I'm trying to run a piece of twine through the back of that latch and around the back on that frame right there to ensure that when I pull it, it pulls backwards, not down, because if it pulls down, it'll pull it off the connector, right? So I'm doing the same thing with the other one, but that should be easier because it's closer to the edge. I guess we'll find out. And I'll have another go at it.